Hey everybody, it's Mallory Grimste from MalloryGrimste.com, and I am here today coming live because I've been talking a lot this week about setting goals and how you can help get a happier team. So if you enjoy learning more about helping teams feel better together, and you are a teen or you know a teen that's struggling with depression, anxiety, low self-esteem, and just looking for helpful, useful strategies that you can start using today to get to where you want to be, make sure that you click follow or subscribe so you never miss an update. So today is all about how to make this the year that you finally get a happier team. I'm going to be sharing three, yep, that's 1, 2, 3, different ways that you can start finally getting a happier team this year. And make sure you stick all the way to the end because I'll be sharing a bonus technique as well. But before we get started, if you're new here, don't skip this part. This is just my little mini disclaimer to let you know that even though I am a licensed mental health therapist in the state of Connecticut, this information right here is only being provided to you for educational and informational purposes only. It is not psychotherapy or counseling, and it's to be used at your own risk based on your own judgment. If you need to speak with a professional, make sure to contact one local to you. All right, so let's get into it. Strategy number 1, stop talking and start listening. One of the magical things that happens in counseling and therapy is that this is the space where you can freely share all the stuff that's coming at you and like floating around in your head. And as teenagers, our teens need that time and space as well. So it's totally normal as like a helper or a parent or even a friend. Like you just want to jump in there and help them feel better and like, hey, I know what to do. Have you tried this? But most of the time, they don't need that. They've probably already thought of it and they're just needing to sort it out. And some of us are verbal processors, especially teenagers. So being able to just sit back and listen and let them talk is probably one of the best things that you can do. It will help them learn to rely on their own intuition and gut and help you be able to look for and listen for other like key nuggets that they may not drop in unless you stop talking and start listening a little bit more. Number 2, let them know they're not crazy. We all have like all sorts of complicated like thoughts, negative thinking. I mean, the way we talk to ourselves is like ridiculous. Like I would never talk to a friend the way that I talk to myself sometimes in my head. And sometimes with all these thoughts and feelings and hormones coming at you when you're a teenager, you just need to know that you're normal, that you're not crazy for feeling this way. Even if you think it's ridiculous to get upset because that girl Chelsea thinks that green pencils aren't cool anymore, it's important to your team. So if you just like hang back and let them say what they need to do and be like, you know what? It makes sense that it's important that Chelsea thinks that your green pencil is cool, and it makes sense that you'd get upset that she doesn't. That's it. Just validate them. Let them know that they're not crazy. All right. Strategy number 3, practice what you preach. We've all heard of monkey see, monkey do. This holds true for teenagers too. Think about when they're toddlers and like you'd be talking on the phone in the next room. You really think they're not paying attention, and then like 5 minutes later, they're repeating your conversation verbatim. Teenagers do the same thing. They're always on the lookout to see like, can you be trusted to say what you mean and mean what you say? So if you're talking about like have some fun, don't stress out, don't make it all about schoolwork for your stressed out teenager, make sure that you're doing the same thing too. So you can't expect to be a workaholic and expect your teenager not to follow suit. So if you're telling them to have more fun, make sure that you are too. All right, before we get into the bonus, I do want to share, we do still have space in our Teen Girls Therapy groups, and we are accepting new members. So go on over to MalloryGrimste.com and submit an application if you're local to the Woodbridge, Connecticut area and think that your teen could benefit from group therapy. We go over a lot more of these strategies in Teen Girls Therapy group, And parents also get a bonus weekly email with tips just like this, particular to what we're going over in groups, so you can continue supporting your teen girls at home. All right, here's the bonus. If you do these 3 strategies around their friends, it will magnify the results. Because here's the thing, as much as teenagers are looking to the adults in their lives to practice what they preach, it's what their friends think and say that's really going to make the impact. So if you are listening more and not talking as much, if you are letting them know that they're not crazy for having their feelings and experiencing what they want to experience, and if you practice what you preach all around their friends are going to pay attention and listen to that too. And then when like Susie Q is like out and about in the world and like venting to their friends are going to be like, hey, have you tried such and such? They may not give you credit. They probably won't. But they're paying attention and they're taking that information in. And so if their friends say the same thing, they're going to listen that much more. And that is like the magic of group therapy. This is why I love running groups, because I could say these things, you could say these things, other people could be saying these things, but until another teenager says the same thing, it sometimes doesn't land the same way. Oh, Patty says, great info. Thanks for sharing. Oh, thank you. Happy to do that. So if you enjoyed this, please make sure that you go ahead and subscribe or follow. I'm so happy that you're here with me. I plan on doing these even more in the future. So if you have a question or feedback, please let me know. And let me know in the comments, how are you making sure that this is the year that you finally get a happier teen? Can't wait to hear what you all have to say, and be well and have a great rest of your day.